Good morning. It is day 2. So today is going to be the majority of the academics. I will also be having a college panel and learn about the future. Wow. Okay, so I'm about to head out on my way to the SSS hall. I am so intimidated. It's beautiful and everything, but I am scared now. There's so many people here. I am claustrophobic. I'm scared. I'm also scared. Also claustrophobic. I'm just gonna stand in this corner, try to connect to Wi-Fi, get my parents over here because I'm scared. It's Amy! Hi!
You're gonna go down to your left, okay?
Alright, thanks! Oh my goodness. I'm so tired. You know, even if we never end up in Ivy League, at least we've already been inside and around and eaten its food and stuff. There are literally just so many people in here. Intimidated is not enough to describe what I'm feeling right now. And everybody is studying. I should probably get studying too. Bye-bye. Finally found seats. Oh my god, it has been... I'm already dead and the challenge hasn't even started. We're doing a lot of last minute cramming. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Okay, so we just got out.
Alright, if you're in building number 4,
you know what, I'm just gonna stop reacting to these things. Right now, I think we're about to writing. Really bad because I have no confidence in my writing and I don't know what I'm doing. So Audrey, how are you doing?
Bad. We're gonna write. I'm illiterate.
Debbie, we made it! Yay! So we just got back from writing. I did do bad, but I did learn something. I can't let myself give in to number one, how pressured I felt to write a really good essay. For half an hour, blank paper, I erased my work, I changed my topic twice. I do know that one bad essay doesn't dictate who I am as a writer. It would be better if this lesson hadn't, I mean, it didn't need to come from this one big essay which means so much to me, right? But can't really choose when things happen. All you can do is learn from it. So right now they're having lunch and it's pizza. I don't eat cheese, so yeah, it's okay. I don't really mind though. Oh, I feel bad about it. Oh, but it's okay. It will be okay. Not the essay, but me. I will be okay.
The adjudicator for this next debate is the guy I bribed chocolate. Not really bribed. I mean, I just gave him chocolate because I was a nice person, and I had 2 more. And then this morning I was like, "How is the chocolate?" And he was like, "Yeah, it's very good. I'm gonna give you more. You have to give me more." I was like, "Okay, I'm gonna give you more."
Oh my god, this is our first time! So we just ran into Julie again. Oh my god, I love Julie so much. She's the best. Don't forget Julie Dove. Oh my god. And we nearly got lost in here and I nearly died.